Hello everyone, and welcome back to the Pondering Philomath. In today's video, I will be showing you a trick with the help of which you can predict someone's birthday easily. So let's get started. So let's suppose this is you, the magician, the mathematician. And here, there's another person whose birthday you want to predict, right? So you will be asking them a series of questions. So let's get started. All right, the first step is you ask them the number of month of their birthday. So if they have the birthday in January, then the number of the month would be 1. For February, it would be 2, and so on, right? Then you would ask them to double that number, right? So if, for example, they have a birthday in February, then they would double it, so then they would get a 4, right? And so on. And then add 5 to the number, then multiply it by 5, then put a 0 at the end of the answer, right? So if the answer would be, for example, 24 or something, or let's say 25, then you just put a 0 at the back, and then that would be 250. And then the last step is to add the date of birth to the answer, right? So these are the 6 steps that they have to go through. What you will do, well, at the end, when they've done all of this, they will tell you the number, the final result, and using that result, you can then quickly tell their birth date and their birth month. And this is how you do it. The first step is that you subtract 50 from the last 2 digits, and that would give you the date, right? So if the answer is, for example, 276, then you subtract 50 from the last 2 digits, which, for example, 76, and then you would get 26, and that would be the date of birth. And the second step is you subtract 2 from the remaining digits to get the month, right? And now I will just explain it using a simple example, just so that we understand this. So let's suppose that this person's birthday is on the 28th of May, right? So our number of month is going to be 5, right? So what do? We take the number of month, or we ask them to take the number of month, double it, so then that would be 10. Then we're going to add 5 to it, so then we get 15. Then we multiply it by 5, so that would be 75, right? And then we put a 0 behind the answer, so then we get 750. And then we add the date of birth, so that would be plus 28, so that would be 778. And this is our final number. This is what we give, or this is what we are going to get. So this number he gets, and we only have to do 2 steps, right? So we take the number 778, and what we do is we look at the last 2 digits, and we subtract 50 from it to get 28, right? Oops, right. So 78 minus 50 is 28, so we got the date already. The other remaining digit is the 7 over here. And from the 7, I'll just write it over here, we subtract 2 from it. So 7 minus 2 will give us 5. And there we have easily calculated or easily predicted somebody's birthday using only 2 steps. So that's it from this video, and stay tuned for more such videos, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.